I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. I wash my face and eat breakfast with my family. Then I go to work or study. At lunch, I eat rice, vegetables, and chicken. In the evening, I like to walk for 30 minutes and read an English book. Before I go to bed, I listen to music or watch a short video. I try to sleep early because it helps me feel healthy and happy. Cooking at home is fun and healthy. Today, I am going to make a simple vegetable soup. First, I wash the vegetables, cut them into small pieces, and cook them in a pot with water and spices. My favorite season is autumn because the weather is cool and pleasant. The leaves on the trees turn yellow and red. I like drinking hot coffee while looking out the window at the rain. In my free time, I really love listening to music and painting. Sometimes, I go to the park with my friends to play football. It helps me relax after a long week of work or study. Every Saturday morning, I go to the supermarket to buy fresh food. I need some apples, milk, bread, and eggs. I always check the prices before I put items into my shopping cart.